Good morning, fishing friends. This is Matthew with Out Fishing 13 bringing you another fishing video. This morning I'm here with Jason from Fish Fear Me Studios. We're on Deer Creek Reservoir and we're actually fishing for rainbow trout, but guess what? Before we hardly even got started, Jason caught a nice walleye, probably about, what, 14 inches? Anyways, so that was kind of an unexpected little gift, but hopefully we catch some rainbow trout. It's the 4th of July this morning, and so happy Independence Day, everybody, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go fishing. You catch that on the marabou?
Yep. It's coming now, boy. It's getting some weight. It's got to be a carp.
No, it's a
so
trout.
Big. It's big. Doesn't pull like a trout either. It's just coming straight. It's not going crazy. Oh, it is. It is a walleye.
No way!
Yes.
Dang! Get it up here!
Got me a Walter.
What the heck?
It's not a big one, but I'll take it.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got a stringer we could set up over there.
Okay. I got my stringer right here. It's pretty long.
Okay, yeah, if you want to set up your stringer over there, I bet you could keep them in the water at least. What the heck? If you catch one, you can catch more than one.
That's what I'm hoping. Now I'm excited.
Man, that was not expected.
Like a trout. I knew it was not a trout, but I was like,
I didn't even think that, my brain wasn't even registering walleye. Man, that is a bonus.
I'm gonna have to go down here to the water to drop him in, though.
Yeah.
Take a Walter. I'll take several.
Yeah, we can keep a bunch of those. And that's a nice size one.
That was my second cast.
On your black marabou jig.
Yes, sir.
See, man, I am excited now.
Me too.
Who would have thunk?
You like my homemade power bait holder?
Heck yeah.
I got so sick and tired of digging it out of my pocket. I was like, I'm gonna make something. That was fun. I could do that about 9 more times.
How far out were you?
Way out there. Well, it hit about halfway.
Okay.
But I mean, I really pitched it out there. That is the first walleye I've ever caught not through the ice.
That was awesome.
And I've only caught 2 through the ice.
How far are you out there with your power bait?
Not very far.
About like where I threw?
Yeah, maybe a little closer than that. Might be better if we do. I don't know. Fantastic spot because of the weeds over there, you know, and it's right here. Probably in here. Might even catch some.
I wanted to give it a try because those walleye will come up off the bottom and take something.
I can tell you that.
What's that?
I'll tell you that for true. I was on top. You know, I cast it as far as I could out there. It only sank about 20 feet. So we're still up on that shelf more than we think.
I know we are.
We're not even casting to where we were sitting.
No, we can't. We're like, we can't even cast that far.
I got a pocket full. It should get me through today.
I need to put some.
Jump right in front. Oh, it's you. Okay.
Yeah, I need to put some real. I need to put some real magic on. But I gotta be careful that I don't lose a lure here.
Nasty, but that's where the fish are.
Maybe. Put some of my spray stuff on it. That's a dead good idea. I should send them a comment and say, hey, I love this. Here's my video. Why don't you make some garlic scented stuff?
Yeah. Something that's bring the fish for that other point where we were sitting. Oh, yeah, it's a good 150, maybe 200 yards. Where the water line used to be. Got him?
Yeah.
What do you got him on? That looks like a perch.
No, it's a little
Oh,
bass.
a little smallmouth?
Yeah.
What are you using? A Paula?
I'm using a flicker shad.
Oh. That's just Molly in the weeds there.
I'm surprised I'm not getting anything following it in though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true.
I haven't seen anything follow it in.
Oh, I got a hit. The fish is running with it.
Oh man.
Got him.
Got him. Well, we just caught a thief trying to steal our fish. A little mink, little brown mink.
Black. He was dark black.
Well, kind of, yeah, black, brown colored. Anyways, it came along and it actually pulled the fish out of the water. It probably saw one, dove down and grabbed it and then yanked it, both of them out and tried to catch it. So hopefully I got some video of that. Well, we're done fishing for today, and it was interesting because we only caught 3 fish. I caught 1 little bass, and Jason caught a nice trout, nearly 18 inches, a nice walleye, probably about 16. We caught those first thing this morning, and for the last 3 hours it's just been crickets. Haven't caught anything. But thanks for coming fishing with me. Stay tuned until next time. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoy Zebco Reels, I have over 60, probably 60 or more videos just on Zebco repair and servicing. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.